We're here at 4270 Williamsbrook Lane. This is a nice 3-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom townhouse. So when you walk in, you have a nice little foyer that leads directly to the upstairs and as well as the downstairs main living area. So when you first walk in, this is your living area. You have a nice living room that's open to the kitchen, a very open space with perfect linoleum countertops, a very big double-sided sink, and appliances. You also have an outdoor porch or patio. This is a very nice private backyard, has a lot of shrubbery, and a new deck. Just coming back in. This is the main living space. Could be the living room area. And coming this way, we have extra storage closets and our first bedroom. So this is on the first floor. Plenty of space. And a French door closet. A lot of closet space, perfect for anyone who has a big wardrobe. And coming out here, we have access to the first full bathroom. So shower, bath, toilet, and sink with a nice mirror. And to the right of it, there is some closet space. Perfect for storing anything to the bathroom, laundry room. And another closet right here at the end of this hallway. Perfect for any extra living appliances, coat rack, anything you need. Now we're gonna go upstairs. So what I love about the house is the open floor plan. Even when you come upstairs, it still continues. So we have this nice shelf that could be perfectly decorated. And we're gonna walk into the second bedroom. So this bedroom is very spacious as well. And it has plenty of closet space. A lot of closet space. And a lot of natural lighting. And this carries us into a Jack and Jill styled bathroom. So when you walk in, you do have your own toilet and sink. And that continues into the shower bath area through that door, which leads you into this other bathroom featuring your own toilet and sink. And that leads us into the third bedroom. Another very spacious room with a lot of closet space. So the thing I love about this house is all the closet space. It'd be perfect for anyone who just has a lot of clothes or just enjoys having a lot of storage space. And again, we have a very beautiful backyard view with a lot of natural light. So that concludes this house tour. And I hope you guys like it.
Renting from Flagship Property Management is easy and has so many advantages. You can pay your rent and make maintenance requests online. There's a 24-hour emergency maintenance hotline, and we have ethical and professional office staff along with so much more. If you like the property that you saw, schedule a viewing online at flagshiprentalproperty.com, or as always, give us a call at 252-364-4944.